So, hi everybody, a very good morning. Actually, good afternoon and good evening. It's 3:10 by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And under this, we have a whole offering of collections, designer and handcrafted, machine made and stuff, which is sophisticated, premium, luxury, classy, including affordable home and office interior solutions and stuff, where we have lamps, mirrors, consoles. We have candle holders. We have vases. We have trays. We have chest boxes. We have picture frames. And of course, in the bigger items for projects which we've been doing and we intend to continue doing, we have stuff which is inspired from international and Indian works. So these are design and concepts and stuff such as furniture, which is sofas, seaters, dining tables, dressing tables, consoles, center tables, chairs, office furniture and stuff. Then we have some very interesting, you know, circular concept stuff, which is coffee table books and stuff. There's contemporary, which is in metal and glass. So these are again tables, or these are sideboards, these are racks. Then there are beds. Then there are other items which you can think in the purview of home and office spaces, including hotels. So there's also Moroccan stuff which we've done for a hotel uh, in Portugal. So these are Moroccan lamps and stuff. There are bookends which are like horses. They are animals. They are folding hands. There's a lot of interesting stuff and all that. And I'm the brainwave and the brainchild. I'm leaving you on a tip. I'm actually giving you a tip. I'm trying to keep the message short. So first of all, cheers to you on a bright Monday morning. The weather is amazing and stuff, and everything looks amazing when you feel good yourself. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. Mine was super relaxed and rested, and it was a great party that I went to and stuff, meeting friends and other people and personalities from other parts of the world and stuff. Of course, there was a pool and everything, so it was super fun. And after having rested with the weather change and stuff, I was not keeping very well yesterday, but then what the hell, I'm back again. So like other people, with the weather change and everything, there are headaches happening to a lot of people and stuff and all that. But then anyways, the post is not about that. The post is about a tip which I'm going to be giving you, as we are almost done with summer. So now we are going to have some beautiful nature and flora and stuff. So this is a tip which is to do with in India you got this thing called the lemon. I'm sure you have it in international countries also, the yellow lemons and stuff. So this is a design tip from me, which is to enhance and beautify and give you a sophisticated idea on space. So if you have a table, a center table, if you have a drawing table, if you have a library, if you have a dressing table, if you have your bedroom, if you have your desk where you work out of and stuff, or if you have the entrance of your house or a room or a hotel, or wherever you are, your kitchen or whatever, you can do this very easy tip. You just need four items. So one is a glass bowl, a bigger one, which is a round bowl, and you need about 10 12 round the big size lemons, citrus fruit is what they call it. So you use that. And then you have white flowers, and you have roses, which can be either yellow or which can be either pink or whatever color. Preference would be a yellow, because if you're going to have deep yellow citrus fruit or citrus lemons, then those flowers will make sense. I'll share the pictures also. So take a bowl, put some water, put about 10 12 big size lemons in those, and then you have some wild flowers that you have. Just put those wild flowers in those, and just add a few nicely trimmed roses or other colored flowers in those. Preference would be roses. And you have a designer, what do you call, a decor, or a beautiful flower arrangement ready. So I'll share the pictures. Let me repeat it. A round circular tumbler or a container, glass one. You have 10 to 12 or 15 round big size lemons, जैसे कहते हैं नींबू. And then you have सफ़ेद flowers, white flowers, and you have roses, which is gulab. So you add all of those, and one by one in layers you add them to your container, and you have your beautiful decoration or a banquet flower arrangement ready for you. So easy to do, maximum 20 minutes by the watch and stuff. So try doing that. This is a tip I'm giving you. So there's no need to follow so much of news and views and stuff like that. If you're creative, if you like design work, you can always soak up some beautiful stuff like this online and offline. Visit your favorite stores, read some real nice magazines and stuff, follow some Pinterest and stuff, because you'll also realize is that if you're following a lot of social media and stuff, you will actually start getting a lot of headache also at times, because those voices and other things play in your head. So I'd like to kind of help you do away with all of that. Follow some really beautiful stuff, because what you fill your brain with is what you're going to be soaking up as you go out, and you're going to be observing those. So the choice is yours. Either you look at killings, or you're looking at murders or rapes and stuff like that. You're looking at the negative side of it, or you're looking at the positive side of it, because the world automatically starts feeling extremely beautiful and stuff. So I'm inspired from that. This is a shirt which I got inspired from a program which had James Fonda in it, so I'm inspired from that. So I thought I'm going to be making a start on a Monday, so let me just kind of also kind of deck up and dress up with a shirt like that. And I'm going to be kind of getting back to my work, enjoying a nice lovely coffee. So I hope you like my tips and stuff. So take care of yourself. Emotional health is really very important, and that's where in design and architecture, emotional and feel good ideas matter any day better, because environments and places where you spend your time, you have to feel really good and great and stuff. And when you go out and you step out and stuff, you start observing whatever. So beautification and amplification of the mood, or how you want to feel in, how you want to kind of carry the way forward in your day, depends on you. So say for example, day before yesterday I came back from this party, and the distance was really huge. It was raining and stuff, so it was really dark and doomy, so the weather was getting on to me. So as I came back, I was not well, so I was kind of in the washroom again, off and on, vomiting and puking or whatever. But then the moment I kind of went into my room, it was clean, it was nice. I just had some water and I slept off. And that's the tip I'm giving you, that if you have a nice, clean space which you've already looked after, and you've got your office people or your home people also in the habit of maintaining cleanliness in your house, you're going to come back feeling really good. So do that to yourself and deck up the spaces and stuff, because at the end of the day and the start of the day, whatever you kind of soak up and start your day on matters. And there's so many beautiful colors available in flowers and greenery and in vases and stuff. So if you were to do this one particular example, it's also going to kind of really make you feel good, because lemon will have this amazing flavor. A lot of people like this nimbu and citrus incense sticks, and they have this fragrance that they buy. So if you have a natural thing happening, you're going to love it, and it may also inspire you to kind of grow lemon and kind of look after flora and fauna. So this is a tip I would like to share and leave you on. So enjoy yourself, have a great day, and take care of yourself, and wishing everybody a great week ahead. Okay, so love and love, take care, bye bye, have fun. I'm on I'm at gmail.com and jkapani@gmail.com. I'm not responding on WhatsApp or on Facebook, so this is the reason. So some of my friends from Bangalore had messaged me, so you understand where I'm coming from. So when you've just recovered, or you're still going through cervical and health issues and stuff, you want to stay away from messaging a lot. And I'm sure anybody who wants to have a conversation can pick up a phone and call, and you can leave a message and I'll come back to you, because I really would like to take care of myself and stuff. So hope to see you soon, catch you in person and stuff, and keep on rocking, keep on enjoying, and add these little elements to your daily life to feel good and stuff. This is natural beauty, so natural beauty doesn't have to be expensive stuff. It's so easy, having these 3-4 elements and stuff, and you're going to love it, because it's going to be really sophisticated, really classy, and so easy to maintain. Just change the water and enjoy the aroma of the beautiful flowers and lemons and water and stuff. So take care and have fun and have a blast. Bye bye.